the last on the leaderboard to our champion. May we request? Is Jarek here? Okay, stand by. Mitra, right? Yeah. 80, your number? 87. Ladies and gentlemen, we will be announcing. Watch out for the replay. Congratulations to our Filipino riders. Number 87, it's Jarek Mitra
from the Philippines. Of course, this is a Filipino category of Team 87. Congratulations. And he is being awarded by Sir Axel TEVES of Master A and Team. Congratulations.
Congratulations.
Now,
next,
our second place winner, ladies and gentlemen, is from Team Yamaha TEVES Cup 2022 Rider of the Year. Congratulations to Bornok Mangosong.
let's go. One. Everybody, I know you're looking forward for this, and a few seconds and millisecond away. This is gonna be fun. Once we are gonna prepare for more, who knows, our Filipino riders will champion.
Oh, ladies and gentlemen, let me just, we just want to make clear of our announcement that we made. We will be awarding top 5 of our Filipino winners for the MX2 category. So we will start with the top 5. Of course, we already awarded Jarek Mitra.
Your number. Number 3.
Jarek Mitra is our top 5. Ayun, congratulations. And of course, our rank 4 or top 4 finisher, ladies and gentlemen, for the MX2 Filipino category is John Adlawan. Congratulations.
Number 3, John Adlawan.
Yeah, that's okay, sir. Yes. So, congratulations to number 3, rank number 3 podium finisher, ladies and gentlemen, is McLean Aguilar.
Your number, Bobby.
Ayan. Top 3 po siya for our top 5 Filipino category. And our top 2, ladies and gentlemen,
Top 2.
is from Team Yamaha. Number 111, Philippines TEVES Cup 2020 Rider of the Year, Bornok Mangosong.
Congratulations. Top 2 on the podium. Ladies and gentlemen, here are your Filipino riders. Congratulations. And on our
They are being awarded
podium
by Sir Mac Carpy, the president of FIM Asia. And of course, our podium
one.
finisher, top
champion.
one,
Top
winner,
champion.
Filipino category. Yes, sir.
Jersey number 15. Ladies and gentlemen, on the podium, our champion is Ralph Ramento.
And he's called the Diesel of Marikina. Congratulations.
Together witnessing all of our winners, starting off with our 5th place. Ladies and gentlemen, 5th place is Jarek Mitra.
4th place, ladies and gentlemen, is John Adlawan.
Next is our 3rd on the podium. It's McLean Aguilar.
We also have 2nd on the podium, Bornok Mangosong. And finally, congratulations once again to Ralph Ramento.